Hi, wanna know how to use Dynamic Island on the iPhone 16? Watch this video. So, Dynamic Island is a new thing on phones that shows a bunch of information right on the top of the screen, right here in this black line. Charging, calls, music, it's all at your fingertips now. So, when someone calls you, for example, Dynamic Island displays an animation with the caller name. You can just tap it and either answer or reject this call and check this animation right in the Dynamic Island. Let's just decline this call for now. And so the same goes for music. You can see and control the current track without having to go directly to the app. So, when unlock your phone or pay for a purchase, Dynamic Island will show you a cute Face ID animation, and once confirmed, everything will close by itself. For example, let's try to open WhatsApp, and now you just saw this animation in the Dynamic Island, right? Here it was. So let's try to scan it once more, and you saw this animation. When you activate Do Not Disturb mode or other focus modes, you'll get a mini animation on Dynamic Island showing that the mode is enabled or disabled. In my case, it is the silent mode, and for that, I'm just pressing the action button. So also, whether you're sitting in maps or recording a voice message, Dynamic Island will show you current status and help you quickly switch between tasks. Let me show you this on the example of the Maps application. So let's just tap here and select to go. Now if we close this app, you will be able to still see this animation in the Dynamic Island. So that's it how it works. Also, if you're starting screen recording, the counter will start counting down right in the Dynamic Island and you'll see a red dot while the recording is in progress. So for that, swipe down from the upper corner to trigger the control center and enable screen recording, and you'll be able to see this animation in the Dynamic Island. If you tap it, you can check the time of the recording, and you can stop it immediately just by tapping this red button. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.